sedentary lifestyle? Do you spend a lot of time glued to your chair, struggling with the weight loss and no access to the gym? Then today I'm going to show you a very simple exercise that will help you with your weight loss. Interlock your fingers, raise your hands above your head, lift your feet up and do this for about 36 times. Why 36 times? Because it is said to be a magical number in Chinese medicine. So do this exercise 3 times a day. This will instantly boost your metabolism and help you in losing weight. Thank you.